Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. So, guys, first of all, if before going to the analysis of the report, so if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading updates from my side. Okay, guys, I have already provided the analysis about the report, and you can see this is the Exness Real 1 server, and I'm trading successfully with this report till now. So you know that there are no guarantees in the forex market, but however this report is working pretty fine till now. Okay, guys, you can see right now the report works basically on Euro USD and Euro Canadian dollar. So you can see sell positions are taken by the report till now, and that's into the 26.83 loss. So it's working fine. Okay, but now let's go to the go to the profit ratio here. Now, guys, now you can see 7.50, 7.50, 7.50, 7.50, and the total profit is 871.26 till now. So, guys, basically this report works with if you have on a standard account, on a cent account, if you have in between $200 to $300, this report is you can say that a bit safe to trade. You can trade with a lower account size as well with this report. So I recommend $200 to $300 investment with this report so that you can start making money with this report. So overall the profit I have shown you 871.26 something. Okay, the currently trades are in between 30.78 loss. Okay, but these are generated, so it does not mean that this loss has occurred. It will take further trades, and because the boat is already attached on the chart and I keep my laptop on for 24 hours and it works in a very good way. Okay, now I'm going to take you towards the mini account analysis so that you can see how it's working on a mini account. So, guys, if you look at here, $62.94 are earned here. So you can see 0.0222, 0.022, 0.0 sorry, 22, 0.23, 23, 23, 222, $1, and then go back 1.65, 0.57. That's the two losing trades. 0.22, 0.22, 0.17, 0.22, Now you can see the very consistent results are coming with this report. 0.2929, sorry, 23, 22, 22, 23. And look, previous results 2323. So extraordinary. That's what I love this way, how it works. You can see consecutive profits are in formation and it's working pretty fine. Just make sure that you should keep this report on for 24 hours so that it can take the trades at its end. So basically it identifies the trends and then it do some sort of scalping, and after some short trades it closes the trades automatically. Look how fine it is going on, and you can see a very good long list of results. You can see at your end a big list here, and you can see that the report is perfectly working fine and it has provided you with a profit of 62.94, and whereas on the live account you can see that right now it's at 41.29 loss, but overall the profit that we have made till now is 871.26. So, guys, that's what I was looking to share the more reviews with you, and definitely if this report keeps on working, then I will definitely share more reviews with you too. That's not a problem. So, guys, this is a very powerful report as per my opinion, and what I have seen till now, this is a very good one. And if you are willing to buy this one, then guys, I recommend you to just send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. And also, guys, please do not forget to like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.